Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna show you what to do in case you have this problem here in Forza Horizon 5. We are sorry, but it looks like you are currently unable to launch the game due to the following. Please update your graphic driver. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because I'm trying to reach 1000 subs as fast as possible, so don't forget to subscribe. First, for those who have Nvidia graphics card, you have to open a browser and put this link here that you're gonna find in the description. Enter it, and here you have to complete with your GPU. In my case is a GPU GeForce 10 series, and it's a 1060. And what Windows do you have? Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7. I have Windows 10 on 64 bits. Download type all, and then press search. Wait a bit, and as you can see, driver results. Download the latest one here. Press get download. Download now. And save file. The download just finished. Just open the file. Press yes. And here press OK. Wait a bit. And here you have to check the first option, Nvidia graphic driver and GeForce experience. Press agree and continue. And here installation option, check custom, next. And here you have to check perform a clean install and then press next and wait a bit, and then your installation will be complete and your problem will be gone for Nvidia graphic cards. And for the AMD users, you have to put this link that you're gonna find in the description in a browser, and here you have to find your graphic card and press submit. Let's say on something like this. It's not my AMD graphic card because I have an Nvidia, but for an example, just that. And then check the Windows that you have, and then press download and then install the driver. That was all for today. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I was Buzz from BuzzTech. Until next time, have a nice day.